Hello, travel fans! Welcome to a journey through time and history. Today, we're whisked away to Lüneburg, a captivating town in northern Germany. Nestled between the Elbe River and the Lüneburg Heath, this town is a treasure trove of historical wonders and cultural heritage. Lüneburg is steeped in history, dating back to the Middle Ages. Its streets and buildings tell tales of a bygone era, where every corner has a story to share. It was once a wealthy salt-producing center. The white gold of Lüneburg, as salt was known, played a crucial role in the town's prosperity and growth. This charming town has so much to offer. From its picturesque streets lined with quaint shops and cafes to its vibrant local culture, Lüneburg is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. Let's uncover its hidden gems together. As we wander through its narrow alleys and open squares, we'll discover the unique blend of history and modernity that makes Lüneburg so special. Lüneburg's history is fascinating. The town's rich past is evident in its well-preserved architecture and historical landmarks. It was a major player in the Hanseatic League. This powerful alliance of merchant guilds and market towns dominated trade across northern Europe from the 13th to the 17th centuries. This was a powerful trading network in the 13th to 17th centuries. Lüneburg's strategic location and its salt production made it a key hub in this vast trading network. The town's wealth came from its salt production. The salt mines near Lüneburg were among the most important in Europe, and the town's economy thrived on this precious resource. Today, Lüneburg still holds on to its medieval charm. It has cobblestone streets, timber-framed houses, and grand churches. Walking through the town feels like stepping back in time, with every building and street corner echoing the past. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. As we explore Lüneburg, we'll delve into its rich history, admire its stunning architecture, and experience the vibrant culture that makes this town a true gem in northern Germany. So let's embark on this adventure together and uncover the many layers of Lüneburg's past and present. Wandering through Lüneburg's old town is like stepping back in time. The cobblestone streets, lined with historical buildings, create an atmosphere that transports you to a bygone era. Each step you take echoes with the whispers of history, inviting you to explore further. The town is renowned for its striking red brick Gothic architecture. These buildings, with their distinctive red hues, stand as proud monuments to the town's rich heritage. The red brick facades are not just visually stunning, but also tell tales of the town's architectural evolution over centuries. These buildings tell the story of Lüneburg's prosperous past. Once a major center for salt trade, the wealth generated during that period is reflected in the grandeur of its architecture. Walking through these streets, you can almost feel the bustling activity of merchants and traders from long ago. They are a testament to its enduring beauty. The picturesque streets with their charming facades offer a visual feast for visitors. Every corner you turn reveals another beautiful building, each with its own story and charm. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate details. The ornate brickwork and decorative elements showcase the craftsmanship of the builders. From elaborate carvings to delicate patterns, every detail has been meticulously crafted, adding to the town's unique character. Look closely at the gabled houses. These iconic structures with their steeply pitched roofs and decorative gables are a hallmark of Lüneburg's architectural style. Each gable tells a story, with designs that range from simple elegance to intricate artistry. They line the narrow streets. Notice their ornate decorations. The narrow, winding streets, flanked by these beautifully adorned houses, create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. It's easy to lose yourself in the charm of these historic lanes. Each house has its own unique character. No two houses are exactly alike, and this diversity adds to the town's appeal. The distinct architectural styles reflect the individuality of the builders and the eras in which they were constructed. You'll feel like you've stepped into a fairy tale. The enchanting streets with their storybook charm make Lüneburg feel like a place out of a dream. The picturesque views and charming scenes are sure to captivate your imagination. Lüneburg's architectural gems are a photographer's dream. The town offers countless opportunities for stunning photographs, with its beautiful buildings and scenic streets providing the perfect backdrop. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love taking pictures, Lüneburg is sure to inspire you. No trip to Lüneburg is complete without a visit to the German Salt Museum. This museum delves into the city's fascinating history as a salt-producing powerhouse. Salt was once more valuable than gold. It brought immense wealth to Lüneburg. Inside the museum, you'll learn about the salt production process. you'll discover how it shaped Lüneburg's economy and culture. Exhibits showcase the tools, machinery, and techniques used in salt extraction. It's a captivating glimpse into the town's salty past. For breathtaking panoramic views of Lüneburg, climb the tower of St. John's Church. This towering landmark dominates the cityscape. It offers a unique perspective of the town's layout. The climb is well worth the effort. As you ascend the tower, you'll be rewarded with stunning views. Admire the red-roofed houses, see the winding streets, spot the meandering Ilmenau River. It's a photographer's paradise. Capture the beauty of Lüneburg from above. Heinrich-Heine's Lüneburg. Lüneburg also has a literary connection. The renowned German poet and writer Heinrich Heine spent part of his youth here. He attended the Lüneburg Gymnasium in the early 19th century. His time in Lüneburg left an indelible mark on his life and works. Visit the Heinrich-Heine-Haus. This museum is dedicated to Heine's life and legacy. Explore exhibits showcasing his writings, personal belongings, and the cultural context of his time. It's a must-visit for literature enthusiasts. Hidden courtyards and architectural delights. One of the joys of exploring Lüneburg is discovering its hidden courtyards. Tucked away behind the main streets, these tranquil oases offer a glimpse into the town's architectural diversity. Each courtyard has its own unique charm and history. As you wander through the narrow alleys, you'll stumble upon these hidden gems. Admire the well-preserved buildings, soak in the peaceful ambiance. These courtyards are a testament to Lüneburg's rich architectural heritage. Lüneburg's waterfront, a scenic escape. Lüneburg is blessed with a picturesque waterfront. The Ilmenau River flows through the heart of the town. It creates a scenic backdrop for leisurely walks. Enjoy a cup of coffee at a waterfront cafe, watch the boats glide by, take a boat trip along the canals. You'll get a different perspective of Lüneburg's charm. The waterfront is a perfect place to relax and soak in the town's ambiance. Culinary delights and local breweries. No trip to Germany is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Lüneburg offers a delightful array of culinary experiences. From traditional German fare to international flavors, there's something to satisfy every palate. Be sure to sample the local specialty, Lüneburger Heitschnucken. This sweet pastry is made with heather honey and almonds. Wash it down with a refreshing, locally brewed beer. Lüneburg has a long tradition of brewing. Cheers! Beyond the tourist trail, exploring Lüneburg's hidden corners. While Lüneburg's main attractions are undoubtedly worth a visit, don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. Explore the quieter streets beyond the town center. Discover hidden cafes, boutiques, and art galleries. Engage with the friendly locals. Soak in the authentic atmosphere of everyday life in Lüneburg. You'll uncover hidden gems and create lasting memories. The magic of Lüneburg. A tapestry of history and charm. Lüneburg, a town that stands as a testament to the passage of time, is a place where history and charm intertwine seamlessly. As you bid farewell to Lüneburg, you can't help but feel a sense of nostalgia. The town's cobblestone streets and medieval architecture have a way of etching themselves into your memory. You'll carry with you the memories of its enchanting streets, historic landmarks, and warm hospitality. Each corner of Lüneburg tells a story, from the bustling market square to the serene banks of the Ilmenau River. This captivating town weaves together history, culture, and natural beauty. The red brick Gothic buildings stand as silent witnesses to centuries of history, while the lush parks and gardens offer a tranquil escape. Lüneburg is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Its unique blend of the old and the new creates an atmosphere that is both timeless and contemporary. Its magic lies in its ability to transport you back in time. Walking through its streets feels like stepping into a living museum, where every building and alleyway has a story to tell. It will leave you with a sense of wonder. The picturesque scenes, from the vibrant flower markets to the charming cafes, create a tapestry of experiences that are both delightful and unforgettable, and a longing to return. Lüneburg's allure is such that it beckons you to come back, to explore its hidden gems, and to relive the magic that makes it so special. Whether it's the history, the culture, or the natural beauty, Lüneburg is a place that captures the heart and soul of every visitor. Plan your Lüneburg adventure. Lüneburg is easily accessible by train from major cities in Germany. It makes for a perfect weekend getaway or a stopover on a longer itinerary. Plan your visit today and discover the hidden gems of this captivating town. Lüneburg awaits. Happy travels! Thanks for watching and subscribe to Travel Fans for You.